Hello, kids.
Here's our doggy. Well, you thought only frogs could play leapfrog. Well, here we have little baby goats playing leapfrog. And a jealous little doggy. Too cute. Absolutely adorable. Go on. Okay.
Hi.
Everybody off. Ready?
Oh, yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh, my goodness. Look at the little leapfrog. Leap goat. Oh, too funny. Let's see if we can walk around this way and catch him this way. Okay.
Whoa! Edward, he's like, oh.
And this is what happens when you own Nurture My Body and you have nothing else to do but play with your guts. Oh! All right. Ta-ta for now. Bye!